Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how we can fix the games icon not showing issue in the Steam application 2025. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so as you can see I'm here in the Steam application and we see that overview of games here in my library. However guys, here to the left you will see a list of games without the game icons. As you can see, we only see the titles. So if you have the same issue guys, let me show you how we can fix this. You may have, for instance, accidentally disabled these icons. This is how you can enable them. Again guys, you will need to access here Steam account settings in the top left corner here, and inside your settings what you want to do is navigate to library here, and there guys, under show game icons in the left column, you may have, or it was at least for me the case, I disabled it for the sake of this tutorial, but you may have accidentally disabled it guys, and if you toggle it on back again, these icons will be reinstated. And that's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.